Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet, for example, to Binance, and then now you can go ahead and get your money out using the P2P platform. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first, open up your Phantom extension, and then you want to go ahead and click on Send. Choose the crypto you want to send. For example, let's say it's Solana, right? Then go ahead and get your wallet address from a exchange website, right? For example, Binance, they have a P2P exchange market. So you can come here and go to assets. And then right here, I have my assets, but I need Solana or maybe Bitcoin, right? So what you want to go ahead and do is click on a deposit. Okay. And then we want to deposit crypto to our Binance account. This is the option you want to go ahead and pick. Then you'll be on this section. You want to go ahead and choose the coin, for example, Solana. Select the network as SOL. Okay. And if it's another coin, you can go ahead and choose the respective network. Go ahead and get your deposit address. And then go to Phantom Wallet. Okay. Go to Send. For example, it's Solana. Enter your recipient address. Copy that. Make sure there's no mistake. Otherwise, your money will be lost forever. And then enter the amount. Right? Go ahead and click on Next and Send. Now, once your money is in your wallet, right here, you should see it under Assets. You'll see however many Solana you sent right here in your balance. You want to go ahead and click on Trade. Go to the P2P platform. Okay. Now, here is where you withdraw. You come here, click on Sell, and then you want to sell, for example, Solana. Select Solana here. Okay. So these are basically the different kind of cryptos you can sell. So we have Solana right here. We're going to be selling that. Select your currency. Select what amount you want to go ahead and sell. The different payment options. And then you can choose here, for example, sell Solana to the person you want to sell to. If they have a good rate, you can check their rating. You can check the completion and their time to complete the order. Sell it to that person and then go ahead and transfer the crypto to them, and then you'll receive your money in your chosen payment method. As you can see, there's different payment methods, your bank, PayPal, right? A lot of different options. I can change this to USD and show you, but it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.